I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News powered by FTB Organic. Let's start with the latest agribusiness updates. Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited TEFE has donated 1 crore to the Tamil Nadu government for procurement of oxygen cylinders as a part of efforts to aid COVID-19 relief measures in the state. The company has also offered 500 oxygen concentrated to the state government. TEFE chairman and MD Mallika Srinivasan said, "The second COVID-19 wave has resulted in immense humanitarian suffering. We at TEFE offer our humble support to the efforts of the Tamil Nadu government in combating COVID-19 and providing quality care to the people of Tamil Nadu." Tata Capital has won a bronze at the 10th ACEF Global Customer Engagement Forum and Awards. Clients and agencies based in 6 countries received over 250 entries which competed for the awards. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, in partnership with Zydus Hospital, has opened a multi-speciality hospital at Sitapur in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The hospital has been fully funded by the Maruti Suzuki Foundation by CSR initiative of Maruti Suzuki. It will be managed and operated by Raman Bhai Foundation, the CSR arm of Zydus Group. Mahindra & Mahindra Limited announced an initiative to support its new tractor customer amid the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic with provision for health insurance of rupees 1 lakh and pre-approved emergency financial support to farmers. Mahindra & Mahindra Chief Executive Officer, Farm Division, Subrata Shah said, "Our new M Protect COVID plan intended to erase farmers' worries as we support them in these crucial farming months." IIHR has launched the Arka Vyapar, an Android-based app. Its development and deployment was conceived and designed as a direct marketing platform to bring the buyers and sellers across the India on a single virtual platform. Dr. Jaya Raghavendra Rao, Principal Scientist IIHR, interacted with Krishi Jagran and started how Arka Vyapar app was developed.
एंड्रॉइड ऐप है, ओके, ये इसका नाम है अर्का व्यापार। अर्का नाम इसलिए दिया है क्योंकि हमारी भारतीय बागवानी अनुसंधान संस्थान अर्का नदी के किनारे पे, तट पे है, इसीलिए जो भी यहाँ के तकनीकी और प्रौद्योगिकी आती है इसको हम अर्का के नाम पे जुड़ जाते हैं। जैसे पूसा बहार जो IRA से दिल्ली से है, ऐसे ही IIHR बेंगलोर से जो भी आती है उसको अर्का नाम दिया जाए। अर्का व्यापार में एंड्रॉइड ऐप जो डेवलप किया है, इट इज अ डायरेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू मीट द फार्मर्स एंड द बायर्स, सो ताकि ये मिडलमैन को ना हो जाए। और हमने ऐप किया है किसानों को और बायर्स को, इन लोगों को आधार कार्ड और पैन कार्ड के माध्यम से रजिस्टर करना होगा। बाद में दे विल मीट ईच अदर एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स द ट्रांजैक्शन विल टेक प्लेस.
ICL is conducting a Global Talk Series program on Apple Nutrition Management on 24th May at 4 p.m. through Facebook Live, and the speaker will be Dr. Omer Crane, Research Scientist, ARO, Israel. India Pulses and Grain Association (IPGA), the nodal body for India's pulses trade and industry, successfully co-hosted a webinar on chickpeas and lentils along with Pulse Australia and Australia under the aegis of the IPGA Knowledge Series. The webinar was attended by about 600 participants from across the world, with majority of them being from India and Australia. DHart acquired a whopping 1700 MT of agriculture produce in a single day. Even if the times are tough, their exceptional team of delivery partners make sure to deliver the best quality products with the complete safety and by using the most effective supply chain practices. In Kerala, the Left Democratic Front government is all set for its second consecutive inning as the swearing-in ceremony of the 21st cabinet member has taken place today afternoon. P. Prasad will be the new agriculture minister. He has good knowledge not only in agriculture but also in many other fields. Moreover, he has led many environment-related protests such as the agitation against the Arnamula International Airport project in Pathanamthitta, and he has also played a leading role in the Parismida Coca-Cola struggle. Vipin Saini, Associate Editor of Krishi Jagran, will be live on Voice of Basai by Krishi Jagran on 21st May at 6 p.m. on Krishi Jagran Facebook page. The theme will be Biostimulant Regulations. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.